Alright guys, here's my tee shot on the par 3 6. Got a high wind. Golf Clash India wants you to keep it below 8. Problem with that is, I don't have any Centurions. So we're going to have to compensate. So I told the shooter yesterday, I think if you add just a little bit of backspin after setting up the way they tell you to for a wind that's 8 or below. So I get the setup, which is 2.2 back and 3 left at plus 11, white ring just off the rough line. Then I added to about 2.5 back, adjust plus 25% max, which 11.6 rings here, and then hit perfect. And this bad boy came in beautifully. For the hole in one.